Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by aligning your sequence with your footage so Premiere doesn't recompose frames on playback. Once done, select 1/2 or 1/4 playback resolution to lower processing demand. This keeps motion smooth while you edit. Make sure Mercury Playback Engine GPU acceleration is enabled in project settings. This offloads decoding and effects to the GPU, which reduces lag significantly. Also drop complex effects temporarily. You'll add them back once timing and cuts are nailed. Next, build and attach proxies for 4K or higher clips. Proxies at 720p or 480p give responsive scrubbing and retain edit accuracy. While proxies are active, switch off high-quality playback and collapse or mute unused video tracks so GPU has fewer layers to composite. For effects that are CPU-intensive, temporarily disable them or use simple guides and adjustment layers. You'll re-enable the final effects for export. These steps cut real-time processing and keep your timeline fluid. To finish, set the work area and choose sequence, render in to out so Premiere pre-renders frames that still stutter. This gives uninterrupted playback for complex sections. If you still see lag, purge the media cache and check for the latest GPU drivers and Premiere updates, because stale caches or drivers cause glitches. Finally, switch proxies off, re-enable full resolution effects, and do a short render to confirm final quality before exporting. This assures your final output matches what you previewed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.